Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing? So you guys are welcome to today's tutorial. So this is a detailed tutorial and I would like you guys to just sit back there and watch the video from the beginning to the end because it's so detailed. Okay, first I'm just going to loosen up her hair. That's her old weave, which you guys can see it's really old. See how old the weaves look. And for this style we're doing a bridal hairstyle. So a bridal hairstyle, a bun at the back and also a frontal in front. So this is like a home service. I did not install the hair in the salon, so I'm going to be using an old wig bun. It's an old frontal, so I'm going to be arranging the hair, that's the frontal, and also customize it in such a way that it will come out looking so good. Yeah, I'm just going to install the hair like that without even bleaching or tinting. So I want you guys to watch, like I said before, watch the video. And for the installation, I'm going to be doing the window peak hairline. I think that's what is called the trending hairline right now. So after loosening, I will just go ahead to wash her hair with shampoo and conditioner off camera, and I also dried her hair off camera as well, so I can be able to do the install. I do not want the video to be too long for you guys, so that's why I did all of that off camera. So like I said before, she has already installed the frontal before, but I'm going to be customizing it. First, I like to section her hair just to pack her hair into a pony. I like to section it into 4 different portions because like I said before, I'm going to be packing her hair into a pony, but a pony not in the middle of her hair but at the back of her head. So after sectioning her hair into 4 different portions, I'm just going to go ahead to start securing it gradually into a pony, and I'm going to start from the middle of the hairline, or the middle of the 4 different portions. That's where I'm going to start from, and I'm going to be packing it, I'm going to be packing it where I want the bun to be, or where she wants the bun to be. We'll be taking out hairs gradually from the 4 different portions, and so I'm just going to achieve a well smooth pony. So I'm just going to be taking out little portions from the 4 different portions and then packing them into 1 portion so it can form a pony with a tail. Securing this ponytail, I'm using thread to do this or to do so, and I'm just gradually packing them until I'm done packing and then secure them. And while doing so, just so that everything can be sleek, I'm using got2b gel. So I'm using this gel. You can use any gel of your choice, but this is what I have right now, or what I came with, so that's what I'm going to be using to just apply on the surface of the hair, just to sleek it down a little bit while I go ahead to pack into a pony. So all products used in this video are available on our website, which is www.exquisitesignature.com. We also have luxury hairs, we have frontals, we have closures, we have braided wigs, and we have under the luxury hairs we have bone straight, we have coily, we also have bounce or wavy depending on what you want. So yeah, do well to check out our website. We also have hair products as well, so yeah, check our website out. You guys patronize us, support our ministry. All right, this is what it looks like after packing all the hairs into a pony. I also forgot to tell you guys that her hair is natural, that's why it's looking like this, and plus I did not apply too much product on her hair. Once the hair is well packed, next I'm just going to go ahead to apply the glue. And for today, I'm just going to be using Ghost Bond. We'll just go ahead to apply this glue on just where I want the frontal to be. So I'm not going to be particularly applying the glue on the very hairline or the parts or the ends of the hair or the hairline. I'm just going to be applying the glue inside a little bit because I'm going to be customizing it. So I want the frontal to just be well placed on her head first before I start the customization. So that's why I didn't apply the glue the very particular place where I want the frontal to be. Hope you guys get. So after the application of the glue, we just go ahead to use my hand dryer, just so that the glue can turn from chalk white to clear white. So I'm using my hand dryer to blow some air because I do not want to install the frontal when the hair is chalk white. It's just going to mess up the whole installation. It's best when the glue is clear white. Alright, once I notice the change, that's the change of the glue from the chalk white to clear white, I'm just going to go ahead to apply or place the frontal on the part of her hair gradually before I start customization, or before I start customizing the frontal into like a window peak hairline. From this video, if you notice, I took the frontal too forward, like very close to her eyebrows, covering her eyebrows. This is because of the customization. So yeah, just watch the video to see how I'm actually customizing the frontal. And before I start the creation of the hairline, I like to first of all part the hair in the middle first. This is so that I'll know the center of the hair before I start to create the frontal. And I'm doing this, I parted the hair with a tail comb. Then after that, we just go ahead to use that same tail comb to just section out the hair from that part. That's the center, the middle of the hair. Just section it out a little bit, just a little bit of hairs, just in form of an M shape or a love kind of shape in front. Doing this will just make sure that both sides are equal before I go ahead to take out the excess. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna. Before I go ahead to gradually plug out the hairs from the part I sectioned that, the little part I sectioned that in front, I like to just do this part like plugging. I like to plug out using my hands. I do not like to use a tweezer to plug out. I like to use my hands. It's faster for me and it makes it look more natural and realistic doing this with hands. I think tweezer also works fine, but just going in to use your scissors to cut off makes it look so fake. So it's either you use your tweezer or you use the hands. For me, hands are faster, so that's why I use the hands. I also forgot to tell you guys that the reason why I did not expand the M shape in front, that's the middle part of her hair, the reason why I didn't expand it is because on the frontal or the front part of her hair before plugging is because of her hairline. I actually kind of follow her hairline pattern because she has more hairs in front, so it won't really look realistic or natural if I kind of plug out or remove plenty or make or expand the M shape in front of her head. If I expand it a little bit, if I expand it more than this, it will not look natural because of her hairline. So meaning that before you start creating this M shape on any client's head, you need to study or look at the person's hairline before you start creating. But for those people that do not have enough hairlines, or that do not have hairlines in front of their hair, or that do not have front hairs or edges in front of their hair, you just have to create that yourself. But for somebody like her that has like lots of hairs in front of her head, I decided to do this for her just so that it would look natural and realistic, and also so that it will suit her face, the shape of her face, because it also goes with the shape of the face. So yeah, before creating any hairline or the M-shape hairline or the window peak hairline, I think that's what it's called, before creating that on any client, you have to be sure, or you have to observe the shape of the client's hair or the hairline before creating the shape of the client's hair or the hairline that comes with the client's hair, before creating or customizing the frontal into that window peak hairline. Hope you understand what I mean. But if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. So we still repeat this same process on the sides of her hair. Please watch the video. And don't forget that you can leave all your questions in the comment section below. So yeah, at this point, I'm going to allow you watch the video because the video is self-explanatory from this point. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low, on no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life. Too on the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Get me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause that's who on the low.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm getting big deal. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me though why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me I come, but then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm going, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Call my name. Calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Alright, after styling her hair, both the front and the back, the next is her makeup, which was done by Ryan's Beauty. I'm going to leave their handles in the comment section, in the description box as well. And then the gele stylist, the gele came out so well, everything came out perfectly well. See the makeup now, the makeup, oh my makeup looks so fine. So everything came out so well. And yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
You see through the storm and take me as I am. Magic every time I look to you. I'm your girl.